Do you ever feel like no matter how much you achieve, it's never enough? You're hustling, grinding, multitasking, yet your body is exhausted, your mood feels unstable, your health seems like it's slipping away. If you've been living in constant go mode and can't figure out why your energy, hormones, or mood feel off, this message is for you. I'm Dr. Light, functional medicine doctor and founder of Theavi Functional Medicine. This is where we help women uncover the root causes of fatigue, burnout, hormone imbalance, so they can finally feel calm, balanced, and alive again. Today, we're talking about something most of medicine and modern culture completely overlooks. It's the power of rest. See, we live in a world that praises busyness and productivity, where your worth is tied to your output, especially for women. You wear 1,000 hats, whether it be professional, mother, caretaker, friend, even entrepreneur. And you've been told that you can do it all if you just try harder, but your body was never designed to live in this constant survival mode. When you push past your limits for too long, your adrenals, your hormones, they begin to break down. What starts as like an "I'm just tired" slowly becomes afternoon crashes that you just can't shake, brain fog that makes it hard to think, mood swings, weight changes, sleep issues, and that deep, quiet sense of burnout that no amount of coffee can fix. Hustle culture doesn't create health. It creates exhaustion. When you're constantly rushing, your body stays stuck in this fight or flight mode, what we like to call sympathetic dominance. Your brain signals your adrenals to pump out cortisol, which is your primary stress hormone, and that keeps you alert and driven. But when cortisol stays elevated for just too long, it begins pulling resources from other systems. So your thyroid starts to slow down, your sex hormones drop, your gut can become inflamed, your immune system weakens. That's why so many women develop symptoms like anxiety, fatigue, bloating, hormone imbalance, all because their bodies have forgotten how to rest. Rest isn't weakness, guys, girls. It's biology. Healing only happens when your body feels safe enough to slow down. Here's what I tell patients all the time. Rest is not doing nothing. Rest is when your body repairs, it digests, detoxifies, and rebalances hormones. You can kind of think of it like your phone battery. You can't run apps, answer calls, and scroll all day without plugging it in, and neither can your body. True productivity comes from rhythm, not constant motion. It's the balance of work and recovery, energy and stillness. That's how you create sustainable success in your health, your relationships, and your purpose. If you've been living in hustle mode for years, now's not the time to worry. Your body knows how to heal. And here are 3 simple ways to start restoring your rhythm. 1, start your morning slow. Skip the phone, step outside, breathe. Give your nervous system space to wake up before the world rushes in. Create white space in your day. Schedule breaks between tasks. Even 5 minutes of quiet can reset your stress response. Protect your evenings. Lower the lights, reduce stimulation. Stretch, pray, journal, or simply just slow down. This signals safety to your body. Your healing doesn't begin in the gym or the kitchen. It begins when your body finally gets permission to exhale. And for those who feel guilty slowing down, I want you to hear this. Rest is not lazy. It's sacred, in fact. Even in scripture, we see a rhythm. It's work and then rest. Even Jesus needed rest. You were never meant to run on empty. The same body that carries your purpose also needs your permission to pause. If this message resonates with you, if you've been living in constant go mode and your body is asking for support, start with our free energy reset guide. It walks you through simple, practical steps to help regulate your nervous system, stabilize energy, and begin restoring balance. Click the link below to download your free energy reset guide and take the first step toward feeling like yourself again.